Magu Ziansho, divine marijuana brings immortality. Oh, I guess I did that kind of backwards. Who cares? It's cannabis kung fu. I can do shit backwards if I want to. Mother. And then I was supposed to say, my mouth get juicy. And then I was supposed to say, Magu, all that. Anyway, the purpose for this video is a lot of things have happened in the last couple of weeks, and I haven't been making any videos. I just made a video that I just put on a little while ago, but things have happened, and I am in the process of moving to the desert and opening the first ever cannabis retreat. Yeah, I'm like moving like tomorrow. Like, this is not just talk. I'm packing my shit up. Excuse me. I'm packing my stuff up. And I'm the heaven up out of this place. Me. But I'm going to still keep this space, and this will be the headquarters for the whole cannabis, kung fu, Dao, all that. So this will be the headquarters where people will be able to mail in and order stuff and all that stuff. But I'm me, myself, and I am moving. And then I you know, make money with this spot and hopefully start a cannabis retreat. Do you know of any cannabis retreats? Oh, there must be money in cannabis because states that make cannabis legal are making millions and millions of dollars. So, what if I open up the first cannabis kung fu retreat? So, that's it. I'm going to record. I'm literally it's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm leaving here about 7 o'clock. So, do you see anybody else around me? I've been asking for help for years. I have one brother with a van, and he's going to take me up to the land, and he's giving me a hand, and that's about it. I'm a man, he a man. I'm going to the land, and all this is going to be empty, and chapter 1 starts. Oh, wait till you see the land. Oh, God. Oh, goodness gracious. So, I'm going to do a couple of more videos here because I did all this work painting the wall, yin and yang and all that stuff. So, I got to get all this stuff out of here, and then I'll do a couple of more videos like when I come back tomorrow night or whatever. And after that, I'm going to the land, and then I will start showing my cannabis kung fu Dao. Cannabis kung fu Dao. That's the name of the channel, right? Okay, so that's it. I'm out. Wait, the right hand, because it's backwards when. Anyway. Peace.